Welcome everyone in HueFin News. Today is July 5th, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we're here to give you all our price predictions according to the charts, and that's it. We're not here to give you any news to try to persuade you that this is the direction that the market should go, and just to give you more evidence and proof that we understand market price history and where it's likely to go. We have here on the right side of the screen, this is our Patreon page only for our members, to where we give them insight of where we expect the cryptocurrency market to go the next couple of days. And yesterday, you can see we uploaded this video on July 4th at 1:08 p.m. And left side, we're going to do our analysis for Bitcoin Cash. Let you all know that we forecasted the market to move lower in Bitcoin Cash before the market actually did. And simply just want you to listen to what I stated in our video yesterday versus what happened right now in the market. So let's just have a listen real quick.
Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. You can see that this coin as well is down 0.5%. Last trade was 11,558 Satoshis. This is the second day that Bitcoin Cash is getting some stockpile coming in the market. Definitely tells us that weakness is here. 3-hour bars is telling us the same indications that the market is overly weak for Bitcoin Cash. Still looking for consolidation movement lower. Ultimately, we cannot break 11,400 in order for us to maintain our consolidation, and resistance is still up there towards 12,000 Satoshis. So looking at the 1-hour chart for Bitcoin Cash, you can see here that we held 11,500, and that's going to be crucial for us to move back higher in price. If we break 11,500 Satoshis, then we will continue to move lower, possibly to hold support at 11,400.
So I just want to give you a play-by-play of what exactly occurred in the market. So I just told you all that Bitcoin Cash has to hold this 11,500 price area, and you can see here from the chart that this is where the market started at, and you can see that it did hold that 11,500 Satoshi area for approximately like 10 hours. Okay, and then it broke right here on this 1-hour bar, and we tried to hold support at 11,400 for like the next for the next 4 hours, and we were still getting weakness. So that should have told you that we wasn't going to hold 11,400, and then we completely dropped from there.
So keep that in mind. There's still weakness here in this space. We have not necessarily seen market participants stepping in to support this market. Short term, yes, we can come all the way back up to 11,006, maybe a little higher than that. But overwhelmingly, there's still weakness in Bitcoin Cash that you would expect them to continue to move to the downside.
There you go. See, this is so easy. It's very easy to understand. Once you eliminate all those indicators that so many other people have on their charts, we simply give you volume and price bars in order to forecast where prices are likely to go. That's all you need to know in order to be a more profitable and a better risk manager of your funds in the cryptocurrency space. Okay, because it's not always about making money, because granted we definitely do that, but it's also about conserving your funds and know when to get out, just to make sure you're able to trade another day. And that's the purpose of this particular news organization, is to give you all our price predictions unbiased, because if we feel as if the market is going to move lower, then we're going to tell you, and you need to adjust your own individual strategies accordingly. We're simply here as a news organization to show you what the market is expecting to do over the next couple of hours, into the next days, couple of trading days, or even in the following weeks to months. If you become one of our members, it's only news is only for our members on our Patreon page. So if you're not one of our members, then you definitely need to come and participate to get this type of information. Okay, so before I go, I just want to give you analysis for NEO. I know you guys may have heard that this currency was moving higher in price over the last 2 or 3 days, and you guys can definitely see here that it was occurring. But yesterday, a lot of stockpile came in the market. NEO was able to come all the way up to $48, and this is still an indication that weakness is still in this space, or it's entering NEO at this particular time. So if you were not able to come into NEO as we saw the market moving higher, then definitely you want to wait until we find a support area, which look like it's going to be around $38 and maybe a little lower than that, 36. But definitely this 3-hour chart is giving us some weakness. So definitely expect NEO to continue to move lower in price. Not finding no support here around $40. So again, looking for movement lower in NEO. $38 and ultimately 36 are the two areas that we are looking for NEO to hold support and possibly start consolidation there. But until then, expect NEO to continue to move lower in price. So that's all I got for today. If you guys are interested in learning more about this language analysis, or even be on the forefront of understanding where the market is going to go before it actually goes, then definitely become one of our members on our HueFin News Patreon page. It's only for $3 a month. That's like 10 cents a day. You all will have access to this information. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.